Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to set up Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger. Now, why should you even consider setting up a Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger? Well, if you're looking to enhance your website's performance and security, then integrating Cloudflare's Content Delivery Network, CDN, with your Hostinger hosted domain is a fantastic step forward. A CDN can significantly speed up your website by distributing your content across a global network, ensuring that users from different parts of the world can access your site faster and more securely. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the step-by-step process of configuring this setup, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. First things first, you need to be logged into both your Cloudflare account and your Hostinger account, and make sure you have administrative access. This is crucial because you'll be making changes to your domain settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Hostinger account dashboard. Here you'll want to focus on the domain section. Choose the specific domain that you want to integrate with Cloudflare. This is the domain whose Nameservers you will need to transfer over to Cloudflare. After selecting your domain, click on the Manage option. On the left side of your screen, you will notice an option labeled DNS Nameservers. Click on this, and you will see a button that says Change Nameservers. Since our goal is to transfer the nameservers from Hostinger to Cloudflare, you will need to click on Change Nameservers and copy the details from here. Now, let's switch gears and head over to your Cloudflare account. Assuming your domain is already registered with Cloudflare, go to the Domain Registration section and click on Manage Domains. In my demonstration, I will be using a website that I have already integrated into my Cloudflare account. Select the website you want to work with. You'll find the DNS settings on the left side of your screen under DNS Management. Here is where you will input the nameservers you got from Hostinger. This is a critical step because it connects your Hostinger domain to the Cloudflare CDN. Simply paste the copied nameserver for your Hostinger account into the Cloudflare settings. Then click on Add Record and follow the on-screen instructions to fill out any additional information required. Once you've entered all the necessary details, make sure to click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a CDN configuration for both your Hostinger and Cloudflare accounts. This setup will not only help in accelerating your website loading times, but also add an additional layer of security. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to set up Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to set up Cloudflare CDN with Hostinger, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.